Hi, welcome to Bitget Exchange. My name is Mike and I will be your host and guide to help you get started on the Bitget Exchange. We'll be covering various features that you need to learn about in order to take advantage of the platform to get started with trading on Bitget. In this episode, we will get started, explore ways to fund the account, familiarize ourselves with the different wallets available, and in order to get started, the first thing we need to do is to set up an account. So here in front of us, we have the landing page of the Bitget Exchange. The first thing you want to do is sign up and make an account by either clicking up on this button, following a referral link, and there you can sign up with either your email address or your mobile number. If you're looking for a referral code, make sure you fill that in over here, filling in YKAZ, which will give you a starting discount of 15% off the fees and up to $5,000 deposit bonuses. Once you've created the account, then we're ready to get started on the Bitget Exchange. So the next thing you want to do is fund your account so you can start trading on the exchange. There are multiple ways to do this. You can do it either by clicking on the button Buy Crypto, going to the first option, Quick Buy Express, which is the most simple and easy way to get your account funded, where you can simply select the amount of funds you would like to deposit, and it will automatically give you a few options of what you can do. You can either buy from merchants directly, or you can choose for a third-party payment, such as using a credit card. Alternatively, you can select isolated options over here. You can choose for P2P trading, which is buying directly from an individual merchant if there's any availability for it. Alternatively, you can choose either a credit or debit card, where you simply enter the amount, choose your payment method, what credit card you would like to use, choose your provider, and that would get you all set up. Lastly, you can also deposit directly from your bank in a few fiat currencies. At this moment in time, Euro is available, Great British Pounds and Brazilian Real. If you already have crypto available to you, then you can actually deposit in an alternative way, which brings us to our asset page. To get there, hover your mouse over on the right side, select the most left button over here, and that will give us an overview of all the assets that we need. If you wish to deposit crypto, then simply click on the blue deposit button and it will lead you to the portal where you can actually deposit various cryptocurrency. Simply drop down, search the cryptocurrency that you would like to deposit, select it, copy the address, and fund your account just as you would fund any other account on any other exchange, ledger, or blockchain transaction. Getting back to the assets page. This is your total overview where you will see all your assets combined. Now, you might notice there's a few buttons, especially on the left side. Now, what this means is that every menu section actually covers a different wallet. You have access to a spot wallet, your futures account, a margin account, your P2P account, an earn account, and a Megaswap account. Simply clicking on one of those buttons will lead you to its specific wallet, which will show you your assets available in that particular wallet. This also means that you can only trade using that specific wallet. So if you want to trade spot, you have to go to the spot trading portal. If you want to trade futures, you have to go to the futures trading portal. In this series, we will be using the spot version. Now that we have created an account, explored the options of how we can fund the account, and have explored the various wallets to our availability, we are now ready to move over to the trading portal, which I will be covering in the next video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.